Have you ever imagined that one normal day could change everything in just a few seconds? Today you'll learn useful English through a real-life story about an accident, an ambulance, and a visit to the doctor. Listen carefully and repeat the sentences with us.
What a beautiful morning! I finally have time to go shopping today. I need a new notebook, a water bottle, and maybe a nice pair of shoes. The shopping mall isn't very far. I think I'll walk there.
I need to buy some car parts before the store closes. I hope I can finish everything before lunch. Oh, is that Anam over there?
Wait, is that Umair? Yes, it is him!
Hi, Anam.
Hi, Umair. It's so nice to see you.
I haven't seen you in weeks. How have you been?
I've been great. What about you?
I'm doing well. I just need to buy a few things.
Me too. I'm going shopping.
That's nice. Let me come closer.
Umair started walking toward Anam. Everything looked normal. But suddenly,
Umair, look out!
a fast car came around the corner. The driver could not stop in time. The car hit Umair.
Umair!
Umair fell to the ground. He was not moving.
Umair, can you hear me? Please open your eyes.
Anam, my head hurts. I can't move my arm.
Don't move. Please, stay still. Help is coming.
Anam quickly took out her phone. She called an ambulance.
Hello, please send an ambulance. My friend was hit by a car. He is awake, but he can't move his arm. Please come quickly.
The ambulance arrived a few minutes later. The medical team carefully checked Umair. They placed him on a stretcher. They gave him oxygen to help him breathe comfortably.
Umair, I'm right here.
Thank you. Don't leave me alone.
I won't. Everything will be okay.
The ambulance doors closed. They quickly drove to the nearest hospital. Anam followed them with hope and fear in her heart. She prayed that her friend would be safe. What will happen at the hospital? Will Umair recover? Let's find out. The ambulance arrived at the hospital. The medical team quickly took Umair into the emergency room. Anam waited outside with a worried heart.
Hello. Are you Umair's friend?
Yes, I am.
Please don't worry. We are checking him now.
Is he going to be okay?
We are doing our best.
A few minutes later, the doctor came back.
Umair has a head injury and a broken arm.
Oh no.
We also need an X-ray and a CT scan.
Please help him.
We will take good care of him.
The nurses took Umair for the tests. Time passed very slowly for Anam.
The test results are ready.
What do they show?
The good news is that there is no serious brain injury,
Thank God.
but his arm is badly broken. He needs surgery today.
Is the surgery dangerous?
It is a common operation. We will be very careful.
Please save him.
The doctor prepared everything for the operation. Soon, Umair opened his eyes for a moment.
Hello, Umair. Can you hear me?
Yes. Where am I?
You are in the hospital.
What happened?
You were in a car accident.
My arm hurts a lot.
I know. Your arm is broken. We need to perform surgery to fix it.
Will I be okay?
Yes. We expect a full recovery.
Thank you, doctor.
Umair was taken to the operating room. Anam stayed outside and waited. Every minute felt like an hour. She hoped to hear good news very soon. What happened after the surgery? Let's continue. The surgery took almost 2 hours. Anam waited outside the operating room without leaving for a single minute. Finally, the doctor came out with a smile.
Anam, the surgery was successful.
Really?
Yes, everything went well.
Thank you so much, doctor.
You're welcome. He needs some rest now.
A little later, Umair woke up in his hospital room.
Hi, Umair.
Hi. Where am I now?
You're in your hospital room.
I remember the accident.
Yes, it was very scary.
Thank you for calling the ambulance.
Of course, I couldn't leave you alone.
You helped save my life.
I'm just glad you're okay.
A few minutes later, the doctor came into the room.
Good morning, Umair. How are you feeling now?
Much better, but my arm still hurts.
That's normal after surgery.
When can I go home?
If everything looks good tomorrow, you can go home.
That's great news.
But you must follow my instructions.
I will.
Take your medicine twice a day. Keep your arm in the sling. Get plenty of rest. Don't lift anything heavy.
I understand.
Come back next week for a checkup.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Take care.
The next morning, the doctor checked Umair again.
You're healing very well.
I feel much stronger today.
You may go home now.
Thank you for everything.
Are you ready to leave?
Yes, I can't wait to sleep in my own bed.
I'll take you home.
Thank you for staying with me through everything.
That's what true friends do.
Sometimes, life changes in just a few seconds. A simple act of kindness, a quick phone call, and staying calm can make a big difference. We also learned many useful English phrases for talking at the doctor's office and in the hospital. Keep practicing a little every day, and your English will become stronger and more natural. Thank you for listening. See you in the next English story. Goodbye!